So what the Ambition Board is doing, working with employers and working with Bangor University and others, is about retention and development. It's about supporting our existing skills base within North Wales and to help their continued progression. So for the likes of yourselves who will soon be entering the job market, what we want to do is make sure that within North Wales we make it a place which is attractive to you to stay, to invest and to spend your career here.
What do we look for in our graduates? They're looking for talented, ambitious, hard-working and flexible people.
You've got to have some passion in there, and you've got to try and display this passion to anybody who's sort of interviewing you. You've got to get something unique across in that CV. You've got to sell yourself with that one sheet of A4.
Put in the research for the company you want to talk to, and then hopefully then your enthusiasm and your skills and your wider knowledge will come across, and particularly with the opportunity for an interview, that's where it can really shine.
You've heard from the employers. What about someone who was in your shoes recently in the last couple of years? Those graduates who've now gone into these various employers and into these sectors.
As soon as you go into the workplace, it's again you're managing yourself, but in a very different context. Your employer will give you a project and it's up to you to manage your time, because at the end of the day you're responsible.
When it comes to you doing your dissertations, if you could sort of do that alongside a company for them to provide you with a project, you sort of start developing those skills that we mentioned before, verbal and written communication.
If you look to your left and you look to your right, these are your competition effectively, and it's how you distinguish yourself from each other.
And that's why sessions like today are seen as really important for the regional leaders, to make sure that we give you the opportunity and the employers the opportunity to come together and talk about those additional skills on top of the academic qualifications, which will help you in your pathway in terms of careers, to help us as a region sustain our skills base, but to help our employers as well to make sure that they have the right skills, talent coming through as we go forward.